YouTube channel. And before I start to tell you what I'll be talking about today, I'd like to apologize for not being on here for the longest time ever. I'm really sorry that you've not seen me for a while, but I'm here. I'm back to do something new. For those of you who are joining for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscription button below and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you're gonna see it. And for my old subbies, I love you all so much and thank you so much for supporting your girl. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about something different. Like, I'm gonna be talking about a nutrition brand which is known as, drumroll please. I know a lot of you have been asking me like, hey, do you work out? Do you keep fit? Do you do this? Do you do that? And I've been like, no. But I want to share my secret with you guys. It's a secret, guys. Like, I'm sharing it between you and me. No, me and you. So don't tell anyone else. It's just between us, okay? So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about this brand called Goli. I don't know if you guys could see this clearly. Goli Nutrition. It is the world's first apple cider vinegar gummies. For those of us who don't know apple cider vinegar, I'm going to show you like the traditional apple cider vinegar, which is this. Organic apple cider vinegar, raw and unfiltered, with the mother, like with the mother. Anything without the mother is not the apple cider vinegar you need for all the uses you've been dreaming of. So I'm going to be reviewing Goli, which is, by now you'll be asking yourself, but what is Goli like? I'm going to show you guys. So first of all, I want to give a shout out to Goli. Goli, thank you so much for sending this product to me. Thank you so much for sending these gummies to me. I really love them. And guys, let's take a minute to appreciate how cute the packaging is. It's so cute. So first of all, when you open it, it's like this. Wow, I love how it opens, and it's written like some stuff ABC. Apple cider vinegar. You could take 2 to 3 gummies a day, and it has like these 2 cards inside, which shows like a comparison between the benefits of. I'm gonna show you guys the gummy right now so that we know what we're actually talking about. This is it. This is how it comes. It comes in this beautiful red bottle. It's written on it Goli. It has like the supplement. It's like vitamins, but it's apple cider vinegar in the form of gummy. Yeah, and it also has like, you're gonna see for yourself. I don't know if this focuses enough. Yeah, so guys, it has the comparison between this and this. This is the gummy and this is the raw and unfiltered. You all can agree with me, the taste of this is like, it's like of this world. You're like, oh, it's so sour. So this is it. The benefits are like this. For the gummies, I'll compare both. For the gummies, both of them, like, they have appetite control and weight loss. Like both the raw and unfiltered and the gummies, they have that. They also lower blood sugar level, both of them. They improve your immune system. You all know right now we need to improve our immune system. Like, I don't need to tell you why, but you know why you need to improve your immune system. And both of them have, like, they're made with the mother. Both of them contain highly nutrition acidic acid. Yeah, and that is where both of them like have the same thing. But Goli goes ahead, to give us like more, like what you need more. It's infused with superfoods like pomegranate and beetroots. It also enriched with vitamin B9 and B12. I know some of you are vegan, and vitamin B12 is very important for vegans. It also safe for tooth enamel. It's good taste. Yes, that I can testify. The taste is so yummy. You don't feel, it's like apple without the vinegar. It's yummy and it's easy to take. This goes for kids, that it goes like everyone. Kids could take this, adults could take this, the age, like the old, they could take this. So it is really comfortable and convenient. And here it has like welcome to the Goli family. Thank you, Goli. I'm feeling special right now, guys. I don't know, but maybe it's because I haven't seen you guys in a long while. So I'm going to show you guys, like in the packet, that is all. It's just like this in the package. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so when I take out the bottle, I'm going to show you guys how it comes. It comes like this. It's sealed and you have to open it up. I'm going to show you how the gummies. Oh my gosh, I feel like eating all of this. Why? It's so yummy. This is how the gummies look like. You could like put it together. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So I've had my daily dose already, but for you guys, because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna have another one. Oh my god. It tastes like green apple. Guys, it's so yummy. And also, I've been taking this for like 2 weeks now, and I've noticed like a change, a total change. First of all, a lot of us suffer from like bloating. When you eat like the upper side of your stomach, I don't know, like it's like, I could say bulging out. It's like portrayed, like it's showing. Like when you wear a bikini, it's like you're like suffocating yourself to get that perfect pose. This actually helps a lot with that. It helps to curb your appetite. And I've been checking, it also gives you a lot of strength. Like it gives you, you notice that during the day you have like a lot of strength that you did not have before. Like it gives you a lot of strength to carry out your activities smoothly. My family, I hope you all can try this lovely product, and please, when you do, make sure you give me your feedback on how it tastes. I'm gonna do like a 1 month review because I've been taking this for like 2 weeks, and I've been seeing like there's been a whole lot of difference. Like I've noticed a huge difference. Like no matter how you eat, your stomach stays still. I know, yes, with this you still have to put in like a little, like you need to put in some work, maybe your normal exercises, but for someone who does a lot of exercise, this is gonna be so perfect for you. Because me, when I do exercise for like 1 day, it's like the whole world is on my shoulder. Oh my gosh, like I feel so much pain because it's not something I'm used to doing, though. I'm not proud of myself for that, but I just know with this, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of exercise and see how it goes when I'm exercising. But so far, so good. This has been really amazing. I think this is my new best friend, Goli. This has been so amazing, and I hope you guys can try it. You know, I'm someone who is very skeptical of these supplements, vitamins. Like I'm really, but if I tell you guys you need this Goli in your life, trust me, you do. This is gonna change. Like you're gonna feel different. It's so good. And for anyone who is willing to purchase this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. And I also hope that you can save by using code. This is gonna save you 5 to 10% off your first purchase. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I know that's so great. Yeah, I'm doing it because I love you all so much. So please make sure you try this product and let me know how it works. Comment section below. Rather, I'm going to be doing a 1 month update to let you guys know how it has been. Click the subscription button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, it's gonna be like you're gonna be the first person to see it. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure you check the link in the description box below to get your code off your first purchase. And I love you guys so much. Hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.